Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and I'm here to do the card kit reveal and inspiration for you. And this is our Warmest Wishes card kit. I'll start you off with the 6x8 stamp set. This is Warmest Wishes, and it has that Norwegian feel. You have some mittens at the top and also a skate. And these are layering stamps, and they are labeled. So you have the ability to stamp all of your skate pieces in different colors, along with those inner flowers for that skate. There are also some greens that you can add together, and also this little sweater that is down below that's in two pieces. This is also full of sentiments that are warm and cozy that will extend this set right on through winter. This one image is some greens that you can put together. And what's really interesting is that you have the top and bottom. You can add your hat inside, or even the sweater will fit inside. So you can piece those together and check out our website for an image of how those go together. And there is the word hygge, which is down on the bottom. I had to look this up, and it's a Norwegian word for the quality of coziness. So there's also a message that says the feeling of coziness and contentment evoked by simple comforts. There's also Bundle Up, Warm Wishes, and Stay Cozy Friend. I also want to show you that up close you'll see the little numbers, and this is your guide on what pieces go with what, and that'll help you put your configurations together. Since most of your images are solid shapes, we thought we would add some cubes for you, and these colors are really perfect for the holidays. So we have pucker, latte, and artichoke. These will make for a fun combination of colors for your holiday cards. I have sampled these out so you can see how they stamp out. So here's pucker. That one is direct to paper, and then I did some blending. Then latte was direct to paper and blended out. And then also the artichoke was direct to paper and blended out. And you can see how those smooth out really nicely, and it'll be a great combination. We have the most amazing embossing folder for this kit. It's an embossing folder and dies. So once you've done your die cutting, you can set your dies into the embossing folder and emboss them, and you get some really cool die cut embossed images. And I've done these on some foil red, and you can see where it has all of those images on there. So it's super easy. So just put your cut paper down and then run it through your die cut machine, and you have these embossed little pieces. I'll show you up close to see if we can get some of that detail. Super cute. I love this idea, and I can't wait to use it on my cards. And here's how the embossing folder looks. It's beautiful on its own, but it's even more special when you can add your little die cut pieces over top. You'll also receive two 6x6 sheets of the Simon Says Stamp adhesive transfers, and these are snowflakes. And these are really unique. You have that black outer line, and once you peel that away, you can feel that there's a tacky adhesive, and that's in the shape of your image. Super easy to use, and I'll show you really quickly how I like to do this. You can use the whole sheet at once or cut out individual snowflakes to add to your cards. Then you'll want to peel away that backing and then place the sticky side down onto your card. And I'm just going to center this here on a Color Blends card. And then you'll want to burnish this into the paper, and you can use the little craft stick that's included in your kit or run this through your die cut machine. And when that's been burnished into the paper, you can lift up the backing sheet, and it's going to be really hard to tell, but there is the snowflake onto my paper, and it's adhesive. You can use this with the sparkle embossing powder that we've included in this kit. You'll get a full jar, and it's a really gorgeous sparkle. Let me get this lid off here. And it's a clear powder with a beautiful sparkle. So how to use this is to sprinkle this onto your snowflake and then tap off the excess. And if you have any residual around the snowflake, just use a small paintbrush to remove those. And then heat set that with your heat tool. And once you're done, you'll have this beautiful snowflake. You can also use your foils on that adhesive. They'll stick really well. So just do the shiny side up and then run that through the die cut machine if you want a foil. Now back to the contents. You will receive a full pack of our color blends. So you get that purple pink that I used, also a green turquoise, a pink to orange, a purple to pink, a blue to green, a green to yellow, yellow to orange, and then an orange to red. So these are gorgeous. You can do die cutting or embossing or foiling on top. Another paper product that you're going to get is our A2, and this is our white velvet. It has this really velveteen finish to it. This is really great for die cutting, and it's already in your card size. And you'll also receive one of our metallic silver envelopes, and that does have that peel away adhesive, so there's no lick 'em to stick 'em. And you'll also receive a full sheet of Nina Solar White 110-pound cardstock, and that's perfect for doing your ink blending and also stamping. And then finally, you're going to receive one of our zipper bags, and the colors will vary. These are super. Has a nice strong zipper, and that closes completely. I like to use these to put my kit contents in because my cardstock fits in perfectly. And all the contents with all my small little pieces, it all fits inside. And now that I have my contents put away, up next I have some inspiration from our designers. I created a card where I did the embossing with the folder, and then I ink blended that pucker ink over top, and then I stamped my mittens and my cap and my message, and I cut those out and put them onto an additional embossed piece. Callie created this amazing card using those snowflake adhesive transfers in blue ink for her background, and then stamped her sweater and those greens to create a panel on the front with Huga, and also her comfort greetings stamped on vellum. And finally, Barbara Tarriau created this amazing card where she colored in all those little mittens, hats, and scarves from that embossing folder, and then stamped a little cap on the top with her sending cozy hugs greeting. These are just a few pieces of inspiration for you from this kit. Be sure to check out the blog link down below for additional inspiration. And also I have some links for you on how to purchase this kit along with our amazing monthly subscription. I hope you enjoyed this kit. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.